Khamagani. This is Gajendra Shengi, Materials Manager at Umaid Palace, Jodhpur. I have joined this hotel in year 2016 in month of September. Prior to this assignment, I was with Taj Jaimal Palace, Jaipur, and with ISL I have completed more than 8 years. Let me share with you few facts about our Umaid Palace, Jodhpur. This palace was built by Maharaja Ume Singh Ji of Marwar. This palace was built to give employment to the local community people. Since there was a situation where this part of India was suffering from drought and people does not have basic need to survive their life, so Maharaja took a decision to build this palace and give employment to the people who belongs to this local community. It took 15 years to build this palace. Every day 3,000 people used to work every day. In my personal career and as an achievement, I have won Best Purchase Manager of the Year in year of 2017. I was the runner-up and it was sponsored by the Hotelier India. In year 2018, I was also the top 5 nominee for the Hotelier India Award, and proudly say in 2018 itself I was the top 5 visionary procurement leader, which is sponsored by the Hotelier India Summit. I am truly honored to be recognized by Hotelier Web, Powerlist 25 Procurement Manager. It is a dream achievement for me. I am so happy and grateful to the Hotelier Web to providing me this great platform where procurement professionals from Southeast Asia, Middle East and Africa can participate and get recognition as well. Khamagani, thank you.